Okay, right now I'm doing a cake for a friend of mine. His name is actually Morgan Beatbox. Do you know he's actually the world record and a championship in South Africa of beatboxing in South Africa. Very nice guy. He can make actually 7 sound out of his mouth. This is actually a birthday cake for his brother. He likes like germ and all that. So he asked me to actually do like a set of dumbbell. So that's what I'm doing. This little part here is actually this part, one on the side of it.